We want to welcome you to the Foot Millionaire Trading Center affiliate area and tell you a little bit about our product. Why Foot Millionaire is usually the biggest gaming product launch of the year. Why each affiliate gets a whopping $75 in average per each customer referred, and why you should strongly consider promoting it. The FIFA video game series market was a 15 million player market last year and is expected to grow this year. The FIFA Ultimate Team module is all about collecting player cards and building custom dream teams, and has been growing exponentially each year since release and has more than doubled its revenue since last year. The vast majority of FIFA players are our potential customers, as FIFA Ultimate Team is by far the most popular module in the game and the biggest cash cow for their creators, generating between $200 and $300 million a year. As gamers spend millions of dollars buying player packs with real money in a system similar to that of spinning the wheel in a casino. This pack system is officially the only chance gamers have of making good coins, apart from trading, which is where we come in, by offering the best trading automation solution out there. Foot Millionaire is already arguably one of the most popular brands in the FIFA Ultimate Team market, and our programs and membership area fill a very strong pre-existing need. This means you don't need to educate the customer about the product. Just show him what the Foot Millionaire Trading Center and its automated trading programs can do, and the customer will surely understand its value. Here are some figures about Foot Millionaire. If you're planning on buying traffic, not only gaming traffic is one of the cheapest you can get, but due to the fact that FIFA is a soccer game, Foot Millionaire has a big international traffic predominance, which, as you know, is cheaper than US-UK traffic, which is also great for Foot Millionaire. We can tell you, apart from US-UK, Foot Millionaire converts particularly well in France, Germany, Brazil, Netherlands, and all the Scandinavian countries. A very large untapped resource for traffic is also YouTube, probably the website where the FIFA community is the most vibrant, with many thousands of channels dedicated to FIFA Ultimate Team and billions of views on videos dedicated to the game. Foot Millionaire is a recurring product, which means you get a monthly commission for each member who you have referred. 75% for the first month, then 50% for each month after that, forever until that customer cancels. This is all controlled by ClickBank, the biggest online digital retailer in the world, so you can rest assured that your commissions will be paid on time, every time. Our customer retention is huge since the programs actually work so well and help people so much. So like we said, the average affiliate gets $75 on average per each customer referred to us. Let's face it, football or soccer, as it's more commonly known in the US, is the most popular sport in the world. And as such, it makes sense that the FIFA series ranks top of the world game sales rankings year after year. We're talking about a market bigger than Diablo 3, World of Warcraft, and over 3 times the size of Madden NFL. It only makes sense that you start taking advantage of that so far untapped market niche right now. Sign up for ClickBank right now if you haven't already. Get your affiliate link and start making money today.